Dear students, once again welcome to this YouTube channel. So today we have to discuss numerical problems on laws of motion. The question is, a constant force of 50 Newton is applied to a body of mass 20 kg moving initially with a speed of 15 meter per second. How long does the body take to stop? How long does the body take to stop? Okay, here the body is of the mass of the body m initially which is moving, like you can say its initial speed as we know as 15 meter per second. Okay, so here how long does means how much time it will take to stop the body. So after traveling some certain distance or after some time, the velocity of the body becomes 0. See here, a constant force of 50 Newton is applied to a body. The mass of the body is 20 kg. M is 20 kg. It is moving 15 meter per second. How long time the body take to stop? ಈ ಬಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 50 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನು 0 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ to the direction of its motion. Suppose it is moving towards right, the applied force is towards left. Okay, so that you have to know here. The force is given. Okay, the applied force F is 50 Newton. That we can write minus 50 Newton because here the body is not accelerated under the action of the force. The body is retarding, means its speed is reducing. Okay, and finally it will comes to rest. Okay, so the force is opposing force, so that is 50 Newton, that you can take it as minus 50 Newton. Okay, so now the initial speed is 15 meter per second. Okay, so the final speed becomes 0. Okay, after time t, and that time you have to calculate how long does the body take to stop. Okay, see here we know that the relation F is equal to ma. So therefore the acceleration is force per unit mass. So that force is 50 Newton, mass is 20. So that we can write minus 2.5 meter per second square. Here the force is minus 50 Newton, mass is 20 kg. Newton is also the SI unit and mass kg is also the SI unit. Okay, so by taking the ratio of two quantities, okay, so you have to take the both quantities in the same system of units. Okay, force is also in SI, mass is also in SI, so getting the acceleration is also in SI. So that is meter per second square. Okay. So now, by knowing about the acceleration, then how to calculate time taken by the particle to stop. Okay, how long? Okay, how much time that will take to stop the vehicle. So again, we have already known. We know that one more relation as V equal to V naught plus AT. And here AT equal to V minus V naught, T equal to V minus V naught divided by A. So therefore, here we can calculate T as V minus V naught divided by A. V is 0 minus V naught is 15 divided by minus 2.5. So T is minus 15 divided by minus 2.5. 15 divided by 2.5. 2.5 is 5 by 2. So therefore, we can write this as, or simply you have to multiply both sides by 2. You can write 30 upon 5. So time T as 6 seconds. This is the required answer. So check it once again. A constant force of 50 Newton is applied to a body of mass 20 kg. So it means just you have to assume that a block of mass 20 kg. Initially it is moving with a speed of 15 meters per second. So to stop the body means you have to apply a force. Under the action of the force 50 Newton, the body comes to rest after traveling some certain distance or after taking some time. So that time we have to calculate. So first you have to calculate the acceleration, then substitute the value of the acceleration or take the use of this acceleration, getting as minus 2.5 meter per second. In this expression, that is V equal to V naught plus AT. So we will get the time is in terms of seconds as 6 seconds. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Then come to conclusion. Then write the given data, and you have to write the suitable or relevant formula for that particular numerical problems. Here two formulas we are using. One as F equal to ma, and another one is T equal to V minus V naught by A, or V equal to V naught plus A. Okay. So by using these two relations, first you have to calculate acceleration, then you will get that time. Okay. So note down carefully. Okay, go for next question. The question is, a rocket with a lift-off mass 20,000 kg is blasted upwards with an initial acceleration of 5.0 meter per second square. Calculate the initial thrust, means force of the blast. See, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, so rocket or any massive object which is thrust, okay, it is accelerating, acceleration as 5.0 meter per second square. Okay, here one more acceleration That one is due to gravity, which is acting vertically downward. Okay. So calculate the force. We are applying force on it. So this is the question. So it has mass. Okay. So as per the question, the mass m as 20,000 kg, which is accelerating. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು overtake ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? Okay, so this is the question. So as per the question, the mass m is 20,000 kg. That can I write it as 2 into 10 raised to 4 kg. Okay. So now the acceleration is 5.0 meter per second square. Next, you have to take acceleration due to gravity z as 10 meter per second square, and you have to calculate f on it first. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸು ನಾವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, we can write applied force minus opposing force equal to net force. That is, net force we are getting as ma. So this equation is clear. Now force ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, but resultant we are getting along the direction of the force. Clear? F minus mg equal to ma. Is it clear? Okay. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ mg ಪ್ಲಸ್ ma or ma ಪ್ಲಸ್ mg. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸರಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, mass is common, use m bracket z plus a. So f equal to m as 2 into 10 raised to how much? 4. Z as 10, a as 5. Okay. So f equal to which is 15. Okay, now f equal to 30 into 10 raised to 4 Newton. 15, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30. 10 to the power you have to write as usual, or we can write 3 into 10 raised to 5 Newton. So this is the required answer, that is calculate the initial thrust, means initial force of the blast. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಥ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಓದಿ mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 20,000 kg, acceleration ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 5 meter per second square. Initial thrust ಅಂದ್ರೆ force ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರ. So F equal to ma ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು directly mass into acceleration calculate ಮಾಡಿ it ಬಿಟ್ಟ. So this is not the correct way, because one more force, that is gravitational force, that will acting vertically downward, and because of that only its speed will be go on increasing as because of this acceleration due to gravity. Okay, check it once again and we'll continue in next video. Okay, thank you.